Welcome to the tutorial on how to replace a Sapir battery. Let's get started. Open the Sapir box. Disconnect the red battery plug. Pull the battery out of its holder. Disconnect the positive and negative cables, red and blue. Bring up your new battery and connect it to the positive and negative wires, red cable to red connector, blue cable to blue connector. Then place the battery back inside the holder. Connect the red battery plug. Make sure the power LED light is blinking. Close the Sapir box. And that's it. You're all done.